This video is brought to you by Skillshare.
Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm 1000. I'm an artist from Seattle, Washington. I got another commission. Gonna be painting some skateboards. I haven't done custom skateboards in a long time. An ad agency in Oregon wants me to paint a couple of skateboards to like hang in their offices or something, and I'm like, cool. So I got a box over here. There's some blank decks in it. So yeah, time is of the essence. So let's just jump into these decks. So I'm just gonna throw some spray paint on here. Alright, so the decks are pretty much done, so I'm gonna hit them with this matte medium so that there'll be like a layer of acrylic base over this spray paint so that my acrylic paints will play nicer with this matte medium. Alright, so now it's time to figure out what to actually paint on these boards, but I don't know what to paint. The client said, oh, just do whatever you want, which is like the worst thing I could be told. I'm like, what do you want from me? What should I paint? So I think I'm gonna jump on Instagram Live and just ask my Instagram people what I should paint on these decks. By the way, if you guys wanna follow me on Instagram, I'm at 10hun. What should I paint on these skateboard decks? Because I can do whatever I want. Throw your suggestions at me. Astronauts, goats. I think maybe I should paint some goats. David Bowie inspired stuff. Dang, so many good suggestions already. An octopus. Come on, y'all, get wild, get out there. This is your chance. Crazy dragon with the girl. The Last Supper. Somebody else likes the goats idea. Something ocean related. You never did an octopus. That's true. I don't think I have done an octopus. Paint more skateboard decks on the decks. Oh my god. Deckception. The octopus. I've seen octopus like 100 times. Squid. Dang, y'all. There's a lot of good ideas here. 1,000 goats. Man, people are really on about the goats. Maybe I will just throw a couple goats in there for you guys. I'm just reading these. I can't even like respond to all of them. Taylor Swift goat. Well, you guys have given me like a bajillion suggestions. I'm signing off so I can start sketching these decks. Instagram Live came through for me. That was super fun. The number 1 and number 2 responses were octopuses and goats. I've never painted an octopus or a goat, so I guess it's time to get sketching and let's just jump into these boards. I'm super excited to try and make some octopuses and some goats. A lot of times when I'm doing my sketch, I sketch on a separate piece of paper and then use a transfer paper to transfer my sketch onto the piece because I just feel like I can really kind of flesh it out on a piece of paper and have less of a chance of messing up. But on these, I just decided to go for it and just sketch straight on the decks. Alright, so I finished the sketches. Looking pretty cool so far, I think. I guess I just want to jump in and start painting the first one. I think I'll start with the octopus one, see if I can paint an octopus. Decks, I'm using my go-to golden fluid acrylics. I mentioned it on a lot of videos, but I haven't mentioned it recently, and a lot of people ask me what my supplies are. I still water them down a bit and add some other acrylic mediums to them, but I prefer the consistency of those a lot more. They're pretty expensive, they're pretty high-end, but you get what you pay for. Hashtag not sponsored, hashtag wish I was sponsored. Oh, golden, come on, sponsor your boy. Also, the spray paint I used was like Molotov and Flame Blue. Brushes I use are just like cheap brush packs that I get from Michael's, and I just kind of blow through them. All right. I'm about halfway through on the octopus. I'm actually super hyped on how it's turning out. I didn't know how this was gonna go, but it's coming together. I just am really excited to jump back in, keep painting, keep listening to my audiobook, and just get this first board done. Move on to the second one. Hopefully I can get that one done too. Let's get back to painting.
what is it about skateboards and skateboarding culture that's just so inherently cool? I've painted so many custom boards in my career as an artist, and people are always just crazy about them. I love painting them. They're such a cool shape. It's such a cool culture. Skateboarders are rad. I don't know. What is it, y'all? Like, it's just cool. But yeah, this is really fun for me, like going off of you guys' suggestions, painting something I've never painted before. It's really something that I find like super fun and interesting, and it builds my confidence as an artist to approach something brand new, challenge myself, not just go into my same wheelhouse of tricks as an artist, and push myself to like new horizons. And once that I'm done and I've like completed it and hopefully it looks good, I'm like, wow, I did that. Like, I can do that. It makes me feel like a stronger artist or something, and that, you know, I'm capable of doing stuff that isn't just the style that I've been developing for years. So that's something that I'm really focusing on right now, is just trying to do different stuff. It's way more fun and way more challenging, and yeah, hopefully it lets me level up as an artist.
Heading down to my shop, Statix, because I got a bunch of other skateboards shipped in, some printed skateboards, and I gotta sign them. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Skateboards on skateboards. These are the boards. I have to sign all these though. So we got these boxes, we got this paper to kind of wrap them up in, got the skateboards, got a bunch of orders, and it's time to just start packing these up. All right, now I gotta sign these things. Employee of the month doing the heavy lifting. All right, we've done 30 so far, 30 out of 100. Down to the last 20. Woo, it's been a marathon. 2 orders that they fucked up on, that's like
I think the boards are okay.
The boards are fine. It's table down. Table down.
I'm fine, guys. Thanks for asking.
All right, signed 100 boards. Good Lord, that's a lot of boards. We got about 30 pre-orders on them so far. Shipping those out. Still about 70 left, so get yourself a skateboard deck if you want one. Yeah, we got plenty. Saucy. All right, finished signing all those skateboards. Now let's get back to the house and work on some skateboards. All right, so I'm pretty much done with the skateboard, the octopus board, and what I want to do is add like a super duper faint dusting of like some black spray paint to have it fade up. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous because the board is like totally done now. Like, I don't want to ruin the board that I already worked super hard on, but I think it could look super cool, so I'm gonna very carefully spray paint on the bottom of it. Woo! All right, here we go. Super nervous. Hell yeah. Woo, that looks cool. Yeah, I think it turned out all right. All right, we'll let that dry. Now let's get on to that second board. Goats. Let's go.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me, then I double up again under their nose. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted, so I'm 10 to 1 if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close. I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke. I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything.
I think she's looking cool. This crazy, mysterious lady. What is her story? Lady. All right, let's jump on to the bottom part of this painting.
5 and a horse, I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me. They need a blade in a sheath, a shank in a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea with ace a marine, an ace up their sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they will lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun.
Whew. This painting is like way more technically difficult, I think, than the octopus. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's like the fur of the goat. There's the I was about to say pigeon. There's the parrot. There's just kind of a lot more going on, and I'm really liking it so far.
I need to know everything. I need to know everything. Who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George. I hop in the Porsche, a 5 and a horse. I'm ready for war. I'm coming for throats to turn to a ghost. I need to know everything.
I'm also kind of trying to focus on like a little bit cooler shadows and a little bit warmer highlights, and trying to play around with that a little bit more instead of just going from the darkest version of the color to like the lightest version of a color. Playing around with my rendering techniques. I feel like I'm learning so much on these boards. Never-ending skateboards. Let's finish this.
And last but not least, there's the hand. Hands are like notoriously difficult to draw. That's why I always like just want to draw them as much as possible. I make big kind of crazy, lanky, elongated, stylized hands, and I put it smack dab in the foreground just to be like, yeah, I'm gonna do a hand. They're difficult, they're hard, but I just wanted to go for it. And yeah, hands are actually like really fun once that you just like start to feel comfortable with them. So it took me a long time to paint this hands, but yeah, let me just throw that right in the front. Hold on a quick second, we gotta hear from our sponsor.
This video is brought to you by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community with thousands of classes covering dozens of topics for you to learn stuff about creative and entrepreneurial skills. Premium membership gives you unlimited access so you can join the subjects and communities that are just right for you. Whether you want to fuel your creativity, curiosity, or even career, Skillshare is the perfect place to keep you learning and thriving. Special announcement, this fall, Skillshare and Adobe teamed up to create exclusive online classes showcasing the possibilities of Adobe Fresco. Adobe Fresco is a brand new drawing and painting app with the most advanced brushes in the world, with a modern experience that balances ease of use with powerful tools. It's free to download on your iPad today. It's the perfect app for artists, illustrators, animators, and sketchers, and really anyone who wants to discover or rediscover the joy of drawing and painting. Obviously, I'm kind of interested in Adobe Fresco, a brand new drawing app, so I went over to Skillshare and checked out the Creative Digital Illustration with Adobe Fresco course taught by Lisk Feng, and I learned a whole bunch. And guess what? Skillshare is also incredibly affordable, especially compared to other in-person classes. An annual subscription is less than $10 a month. So because Skillshare is sponsoring this video, my boys Skillshare, there's a link down in the description where you can get 2 free months of Skillshare. It's special just for you guys. So check out the link in the description, get yourself 60 days free of Skillshare and learn some stuff. Thanks Skillshare, really appreciate you sponsoring the video. Well, I think I'm done. You guys ready to see the finished boards? Yeah. Well, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was super fun making these boards. Yes. Let me know down in the comments which one you like better. This little flappy thing is driving me crazy. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me fix my hat, cause I'm filming myself and I don't wanna look like a dork, even more than I usually do. Let me know that. Let me know down in the comments which one you guys like better. I think I know already which one you guys are gonna say, but maybe you'll surprise me. Yeah, let me know if you like the octopus board better or if you like the crazy goat board better. I'm 1000. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to. You can like this video if you thought it was dope. You can dislike it if you think that I deserve a dislike for some reason. I'm just trying to share my art with y'all. Those boards that I was signing in the middle section of this video are available on my website, 1000art.com. They're a limited edition. Only 100 will ever be made in the history of the world. Get yourself one if you feel like it. I do free shipping anywhere in the United States. In the United States. Free shipping anywhere in the United States. And international shipping is available if you want it. Ooh, baby, I love you way. Copyright claim. You can check out my Patreon if you want to. You can support me for as little as $2 a month. Get exclusive access to behind the scenes stuff you can't get anywhere else. I had a fun time painting these skateboards. I thought it was super awesome. I hope you thought it was super awesome too. I hope you had a great time watching. And I hope you check out some more of my videos if you feel like it. What else do I want to say? Follow me on Instagram. I'm at 10hun. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I don't know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm 1000. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.